welcome back. In this video, I'm going to work out with exercise 3.6 question number 1, the last question Roman did, on continuation to the previous video, okay, due to some technical issues. So, these are your given equations. We'll proceed the same way as we were doing in the previous cases also. So I'm just going to write down your given equations. You have a pair of equations, right? So given pair of equations are 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. Now we see here, your denominator has been expressed as the sum of two variables in this case, whereas in this case your denominator has been expressed as the difference of two terms. So whenever the denominator has been expressed as the sum of two terms or difference of two terms, then they are inseparable. Alright, so you cannot separate this 3x and y. You cannot separate this 3x and minus y. Alright, so the only thing that we can do here, as in the previous cases that we have done, separate the variable and its coefficient. But here the coefficient is also only 1, right? So no arrangement is required here. So this will be your equation number 1. Now your next equation, 1 upon 2 times of 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 times of 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by a. Here also the same thing. Now here also the denominator has been expressed as the sum of two terms. Here difference of two terms. Whenever denominator is expressed as sum of two terms or difference of two terms, we cannot separate them. Okay, but here the coefficient is not only 1. What is your coefficient here? 1 by 2 is the coefficient in both cases, right? So we can just simply take 1 by 2 common. Then what do we have? 1 upon 3x plus y as the first term, minus 1 upon 3x minus y as the second term. 2 4 times is 8. So we have 1 upon 3x plus y minus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 4. Is it okay? So this is the simplest form we can reduce. Now, in equation 1 we have 1 upon 3x plus y, 1 upon 3x plus y. So we can substitute 1 upon 3x plus y to be. Here we have 1 upon 3x minus y. Here also we have 1 upon 3x minus y. So we can substitute 1 by 3x minus y to be. Is it okay? Then your equation 1 becomes. What will your equation become? This whole thing is u, right? U plus v is 3 upon 4. We have a new equation. And your equation 2 becomes. This whole thing is u minus this whole thing is v is equal to minus 1 upon 4. Now this time we can do elimination method because coefficient of u is same, coefficient of v is also same. Now if you want to eliminate v, equation 3, this term containing v is positive. In equation 4 the term containing v is negative, opposite sign. So if the terms contains opposite sign, then we add the equations, right? So adding equation 3 and 4. Equation 3, u plus v is 3 by 4. Equation 4, u minus v is minus 1 by 4. Adding plus v minus v gets eliminated, so your 2u will be 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, right? 2u equals to LCM is 4, so we have here 4 cancels out, so 3, 4 cancels out, so 1. 2u is 2 by 4. 2u is equal to 2, 1 times is 2, 2 times is 4, so we have 1 by 2. So u will be equal to 1 by 2 times this 2 comes to the denominator. So you have u as 1 by, oh, we have obtained u. So substitute this value of u in equation 3 or 4, then you get v. I want to try in 3. From equation 3, your equation 3 is u plus v. U is 1 by 4 plus v is 3 by 4. U plus v is 3 by 4, right? So your v will be 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So your v will be LCM is 4. 4, 4 is 4 LCM. 4, 4 cancels out. 3 minus 4, 4 cancels out 1. So your v is 2 upon 4. Therefore, your v is 1 upon. So we have obtained u and v. U is over here, v is over here, but that's not it. We need x and y. Now, we have replaced 1 upon 3x plus y by u. So now, 1 upon 3x plus y has been replaced by u, right? By u. So 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to u. What is your u? 1 by 4. Now if you cross multiply, 3x plus y will be equal to 4. So suppose this is your equation number A. Why? Because x is unknown, y is unknown as well. Again, we have replaced 1 upon 3x minus y by v. So 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to v, which is 1 by 2. So if you cross multiply, then 3x minus y will be equal to simply a is unknown, b is unknown. Oh, x is unknown, y is unknown, so equation b. Now again we solve equation a and b by elimination method. This term containing y is positive, this term containing y is negative. The terms containing y has opposite sign from these equations. Opposite sign means we will add the equations, right? So adding equations a and b. Okay, we are on the climax now. 3x plus y is equal to 4. 3x minus y is equal to 2. Plus y minus y gets eliminated. 3x plus 3x, 6x, 4 plus 2, 6. So x will be 6 upon 6. So x is equal to. Now we want y. Substitute x anywhere you like, either a or b. You can stack a. Therefore, from equation a, your equation a is 3x. So 3 into x is 1. 3x or 3 into x is 1. Plus y equal to 4. 3 times y is 3 plus y equal to 4. This implies y equal to 4 minus 3. So this implies y is equal to 1. So x equals to 1, y is equal to 1 is the required solution for the given pair of equations. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
itu pokoknya
Hmm.
na hindi complicated.
또 바뀐 자리? 아이도 기바디 거든요.